While you look at this amazing sky, as you can see, I'm sitting in brilliant sunshine, but there's a huge black cloud over there. Anyway, while you look at that amazing sky, I'll just say that I've stopped for the day working on the porch. Very slow progress, but I found a window on Facebook Marketplace that was about the right size for the rear side of the porch. The previous video showed me fitting the window frame for the main big side of the porch, and now it's a matter of trimming up around those frames with timber before I clad it in white plastic. So you'll see a few stills showing the progress that I've made getting those windows into place and a bit of the timber framing to support the window frames. Hope you enjoy it, and please ask me questions or make comments about it. I'm very happy to tell you what my thought processes are, or if I've done something that has managed to solve a problem, very happy to share that with you.